Hello, Mr. Foster. This is a presentation on the Jilin chemical explosion by Esther, Choe, Rebecca Lee, Christine Lewis, Makenna Robinson, and Brian Wilson. So this took place in Jilin City in the Jilin province of China, and it occurred on November 13th, 2005, and it lasted over an hour period. It impacted a large area. There were shattered windows at least 100 to 200 meters away, and over 10,000 people were evacuated from the area, including local residents and students. And the chemicals that were emitted from the explosion made their way into the waterways, including the Songhua River. For human loss, it only killed 6, but it injured dozens and caused the evacuation of tens of thousands of residents. And the benzene from the polluted rivers reduced the number of white blood cell counts in humans in the area, and that could lead to leukemia and other blood-related diseases. And there was also many economic losses. It polluted the Songhua River, so many pollutants were emitted into the river, killing animals and ecosystems and affecting like fisheries and things like that. And there's also oil spills, and there's decrease in water quality, so residents couldn't get their water from the river anymore without extensive cleaning and filtering, and there's a lot of air pollution too. The primary response was not that good. The government tried to cover up, which created rumors and panic in the people, and so that did more damage than good. But they did try to rescue the injured victims of the explosion, and there were evacuations, but it took 5 days before SEPA declared emergency monitoring. As a secondary response, there was new legislation in China, which revised the Water Pollution Control Act and put more focus on emergency response. There are also a few institutional changes, like establishing regional supervision centers to improve accountability towards the environmental protection, and an increased participation in global and domestic criticisms were listened to by the government, and it cleaned up help from the United Nations. The recovery time is very long because of all the water supplies that were affected by the high levels of benzene. And till this day, they're still cleaning some affected parts of the Songhua River because there's still a high concentration of chemicals. And here's a short video of the explosions. So as you can see, the damage was pretty extensive. So that concludes our video. Here are our works cited. Thank you for watching.